Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to set photo 10 by 12 paper size in Excel. You can very easily set this paper size in Excel. So first you need to click on here page layout, this tab, just click on it. Now click on here size. Now scroll down and you see here this photo 10 by 12, this paper size. So just click on it to set it. That's it. You can very easily set it. If you not see here, you cannot find here. So you can click here but more paper size. Just click on it. Now paper size. Here click on it and here find this photo 10 by 12. You can find it. So select it and click on OK. You can very easily set it. So thanks for watching this video.